Picture this: an industry once guarded by gates of privilege, now flung wide open. The tourism sector is undergoing a radical transformation, and this time it's powered by opportunity for all. For decades, marginalized youth faced locked doors in this field. No connections, no resources, no chance. But today, the keys to success are in your hands. Our redesigned course is a game changer. Built for accessibility, it demolishes old barriers. Now, whether you're in a bustling city or a rural village, all you need is an internet connection to unlock world-class training. Imagine mastering tourism from your smartphone while working a day job, or learning sustainable tour design during night classes at a community center. This is education that meets you where you are. No suits, no debt, no gatekeepers. Why does this matter? Because tourism's future demands fresh voices. Young innovators born after 1996, you've grown up digital. You understand viral trends, ethical consumerism, and global connectivity better than any generation before. These aren't just skills. They're superpowers in a sector craving reinvention. Think about it. Could you design an app that connects travelers with authentic homestays in overlooked towns? Or launch TikTok-friendly cultural tours led by local elders sharing oral histories? The industry needs your vision. Here's the roadmap. Our course decodes tourism's complex machinery, how travelers choose destinations, etc. For students and graduates, tourism offers more than jobs. It's a launchpad. Become a destination marketer, showcasing hidden gems to global audiences, or a data analyst predicting the next hotspot using AI. Even roles that don't exist yet. Metaverse travel designers? Carbon-neutral event planners? That's where you come in. But let's talk urgency. Post-pandemic tourism isn't rebuilding, it's reimagining. Companies are scrambling for guides who speak Gen Z's language, marketers who leverage AI, and leaders who prioritize inclusivity. The window is open now. Enrollment isn't just about lessons, it's about legacy. So if you're unemployed, underemployed, or underestimated, this is your moment. Tourism doesn't care about your zip code or your resume gaps. It cares about hustle, creativity, and heart. Press play on your future today. The industry's gates are down. Walk through.